Hey, John Crestani here, and in this video I'm going to be going over Amazon's trillion-dollar marketing strategy and how what they've been able to do and how they've been marketing their company has been absolutely fantastic. In particular, I'm going to be talking about their two main slogans. Low prices, these aren't really slogans, but they're their two main promises, low prices and fast shipping. This has been their core motto from day one. Jeff Bezos has said customers want lower prices, and he realized they want faster shipping. And all the company is focused on is purely low prices and fast shipping, and they've never gone away from that. And one thing you'll notice is in Amazon's growth, particularly here in the United States, you've seen that Amazon has taken their shipping down from days to 1 day to even same day shipping on many items. But what's even more important to understand is when Amazon says that your product will arrive the next day or the same day, is that they uphold their promises, and they do so spectacularly. Now, if Amazon had a reputation for promising same-day shipping or next-day shipping, but then having that delayed, a couple days, they wouldn't be a trillion-dollar company today. And if you remember, it's almost hard in America to imagine life without Amazon. You used to buy products on the internet and you'd have to wait a week or more, maybe even multiple weeks to get a product shipped to your house. It depended on the retailer. All sorts of different types of quality and concerns. But with Amazon, they've kept it consistent. They've consistently stayed true to their marketing message, and they've always under-promised and over-delivered. Sometimes you even get your shipment faster than what they claim. So Amazon's done a spectacular job of keeping it simple. Now, in order to grow their business in 25 years to a trillion-dollar company, Amazon's done three things amazingly, and these are three things that you can do in your core business to help yourself grow, whether you are working for yourself or you're working a marketing job at a major company. First off, they've created very simple core benefits, okay? Low prices, fast shipping. That's it. They're not focused on anything else than these simple core benefits. Another thing they've done amazingly is their consistency. I've been using Amazon for over a decade, and over that entire time, they've never been late on their shipments. I haven't ever worried about where something was. They've been amazingly consistent with their service and their shipments, and the pricing has been cheaper in almost all cases I've ever looked on Amazon. And the third thing is marketing and mission alignment. It's not just the marketing department that is focused on promoting lower prices and faster shipping. It's the entire company. It's the business development team. It's the technology team. It's their warehousing. Every part of Amazon's business is built to give people lower prices. When Amazon was trying to ship things faster, for instance, they realized the only way they could ship things even faster was building their own network of warehouses. And so they did it. They spent tens and tens of billions of dollars building their own warehouses. And then Amazon realized that sending people walking through long stacks of shelves was a very inefficient way of getting products and getting things in boxes. And in order to move to a system where they could do same day shipping, they needed to work faster. Next day shipping. They need to work faster. So they actually innovated the whole factory model. Factory workers don't actually even walk in Amazon anymore. They get boxes delivered to them, or items delivered to them by one robot, and they pull those items off of the one robotic shelf and they place it in a box in the other robotic shelf. And they do this all day with new robotic shelves coming in. Every couple seconds, there are new robotic shelves coming in. Now, if you've seen the PBS documentary, you'll see a number of workers saying that it's sort of inhumane and the pay isn't good for the amount of time they work them. But ultimately, Amazon, their core mission is lower prices and faster shipping. So they've built every step of their business around creating faster shipping and lower prices, and they do not waver from it even in the building of the factories and the automation of their factories, their development of drone delivery technology. Every part of their business is purely built around delivering the customers these two things. Now, this is a new video format for me. If you've been following my channel for a while, I haven't really analyzed big companies' marketing, but if this is something you enjoy learning about and if you want me to break down more companies, please make sure you say so below. You say, if you like this format and what company's marketing would you like me to break down and analyze from a marketer's perspective. Be happy to analyze other companies' marketing. This is all I think about all day. And if you like learning about marketing, make sure you subscribe to my channel. There should be a big red button somewhere around here, and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see some of my live streams where I do question and answer sessions live from time to time. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave your comments and questions below, and looking forward to talking to you soon. Have a good day.